Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ani namaste sabaijanalai. I'm back with another exciting video, and in today's video I'm going to be recreating my engagement look. Hope you guys will enjoy my video. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and you're welcome to my family. So now without further ado, let's get into the video. For the primer, I'm using this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pink Transformer. I personally prefer to apply my primer with my hand, but if you guys prefer beauty blender or brush, you can go with that. Now apply some concealer on your eyelid. It helps the eyeshadow to pop out. I'm using OXX Bloom Concealer. Apply some concealer under your eyes as well if you want to hide your dark circles like I do. Now take a damp beauty blender and lightly blend your concealer. For my eyebrows, I'm using Ardell Dark Brown Brow Pomade. If you want a detailed video on how to do your eyebrows, I'll link the video in the description box as well as in eye above. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm taking this shade right here and blend it with a blending brush. taking this shade for my outer corner. Today I'm doing half cut crease, so I'm applying concealer on my eyelid like in the video. I'm using this shimmery shade on my eyelid with my fingers. For my eyeliner, I'm using BYS One Day Tattoo Liner. For my waterline, I'm using this brown pencil from Savvy. Apply the same eyeshadow on your lower lash line as well. I'll do my lashes off camera. So here I am. On my engagement, I used this L'Oreal Infallible foundation which was too dry for my skin. So today I'm mixing Jordana Complete Cover in it. After applying your foundation with a brush, take a damp beauty blender and spray some setting spray on it. And lightly dab it all over your face. To set your makeup, take some loose powder or compact powder. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Poreless powder. To add little bit warmth to my face, I'm using Maybelline City Bronzer. For the highlighter, I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome. Finally, for the blush, I'm using Maybelline Dream Matte Blush. I'm using Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in shade 15 for my lips. So I'm done with my makeup. I'm not going to put my setting spray because I will be washing this off anyway. I'll fix my hair and my dress off camera. So this is what I looked like in my engagement. You can do this look in your engagement, wedding or any other party. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If yes, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Love you all.